dear students, this is Dr. Sourav Sir's class. We are solving the CSIR NET 2024 question. So this question is arrived in our 2024 June, and the question is telling us that define f be a R to R. I am writing that in below. So our f from real to real be a function which is defined by our fx will be my x mod x. Then we can rewrite this function as my fx will be x square when our x is greater than equals to 0 and minus x square when it's less than equals to 0, or rather we can write less than 0. Okay, so now they have told us that which of the statements are true. That means our A is function is continuous on whole R. Option B says us that f is differentiable on whole R, and f is differentiable only at 0 and f is not differentiable at 0. So they told us that which of the following statements are true. So this is a part C question. So this is my multiple correct multiple correct answer question. So we can do that. Yeah. So firstly, I want to shape the graph for it. So that will be what? Let me draw it first. Yeah. Then I wanna write. I wanna make the x-axis for it. Yeah. Let it be. So what will be my x square part? So our x square part is this. That means y equal to x. Yeah, that's so our y is equals to x square. That means our x greater than equals to 0 part is this. And what will be for my this? So again, my this part is y equal to minus x square for minus x square for my x less than 0. Then which is what is happening here? Then we can see that the function has no break. The function has no break in their whole thing, in their whole graph. So the function is continuous. We can easily correct this option that this is true. Now we are gonna try to do that if it's differentiable or not. So our left hand derivative will be what? No, the function will okay. So the function will be differentiable on whole R because it's continuous on whole R and it will be differentiable. So our option C only at 0 and only at 0 case will be cancelled out. So our correct options are my A and B. Hope you understood, guys. Thank you, guys. This is a very easy question.